Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0641 indicates a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage 1 circuit, affecting the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This DTC is related to the Transmission Control Module, TCM, which uses a voltage monitor to supply a stable 5 volts to various sensors, including the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and the CVT-driven pulley pressure sensor. When the TCM detects that the sensor power voltage is outside of prescribed limits for a certain duration, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code. This may lead to incorrect readings and could potentially affect transmission performance. Understanding this code equips technicians with the knowledge to properly diagnose and resolve any related issues, ensuring that the vehicle operates smoothly. It is crucial to address this error promptly to maintain optimal vehicle performance and reliability. The DTC P0641 pertains specifically to the roles of the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, and its associated components. The TCM is responsible for managing various transmission functions and uses a voltage monitor to provide a consistent 5-volt power supply to critical sensors, including the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and the CVT-driven pulley pressure sensor. These sensors provide real-time data reflecting the state of the transmission system. If there is a malfunction, such as a short circuit or an internal failure within the TCM, the system detects voltage readings that are above or below the acceptable range for at least 2 seconds, resulting in the storage of DTC P0641. The exact location of the TCM is usually found beneath the vehicle dashboard, and proximity to other electrical components can sometimes lead to interference or wiring issues that may trigger this code. Understanding the possible causes of DTC P0641 is vital for effective troubleshooting. The first potential cause is a short circuit in the VCC line for either the CVT drive pulley speed sensor or the CVT-driven pulley pressure sensor, which can occur when the VCC line is unintentionally connected to a power source or ground. This electrical misconfiguration may lead to abnormal voltage readings that prompt the TCM to trigger the DTC. Another possibility is an internal circuit failure within the TCM itself, which might indicate that the voltage monitor is malfunctioning and cannot provide the accurate reference voltage necessary for sensor operations. These issues can stem from wiring problems, damaged connectors, or software faults in the TCM. Being aware of these causes helps focus diagnostic efforts more effectively. Recognizing the symptoms associated with DTC P0641 is crucial for timely intervention. The most noticeable symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the vehicle's dashboard, which serves as a warning to the driver that there is an issue affecting the vehicle's systems. Additionally, the shift position indicator may start to blink, signaling that there is a malfunction present. This blinking light can be particularly concerning for the driver, as it often indicates that the vehicle may struggle to shift properly or may enter limp mode to prevent further damage. Proper awareness of these symptoms allows drivers and technicians alike to take immediate action to diagnose the root cause of the error, minimizing the impact on vehicle performance and safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0641 involves checking the connections associated with the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Begin by visually inspecting the TCM for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connectors, as poor electrical connections can prevent the module from functioning correctly. After ensuring that the connectors are tight and in good condition, the next step is to examine the wiring harness for abrasion or short circuits. This involves checking the insulation on the wires and ensuring there are no breaks or frays that could lead to unintended grounding or power issues. Successful completion of this step can help rule out external electrical issues before delving deeper into the system diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step with DTC P0641 includes utilizing a diagnostic scan tool to assess the functional values of the TCM and its sensors. Connect the scan tool to the vehicle's onboard diagnostics port and navigate to the sensor data page. Here, you can monitor the voltage outputs from both the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and the CVT driven pulley pressure sensor in real time. This will allow you to verify whether the voltage readings are consistent with the expected 5 volts or if they fall below or exceed the set thresholds. If discrepancies are found during this monitoring, this may indicate a fault in the sensor itself or wiring issues leading to incorrect voltage readings across the circuit. Documenting these measurements is crucial for further analysis. The third troubleshooting step requires testing the resistance of the involved sensors to check for internal faults. Using a digital multimeter set to the ohm meter function, disconnect the wiring harness from the CVT drive pulley speed and pressure sensors. Measure the resistance across the terminals of each sensor. Compare the resistance values obtained with the specifications outlined in the service manual. If the resistance falls outside of these specifications, it indicates that the sensor is likely faulty and requires replacement. This step is crucial because even a small deviation in resistance can significantly impact the sensor's performance and voltage outputs, leading to the activation of DTC P0641. Proper documentation of these findings is essential for making informed repair decisions. The fourth step in troubleshooting DTC P0641 focuses on inspecting the functionality of the TCM itself. If previous steps have not identified an external issue, it may be time to delve deeper into the TCM. Start by checking for any signs of burnt components or thermal damage on the TCM circuit board. Modern TCMs include various internal diagnostic checks that, if accessible, can provide insight into whether the TCM is communicating properly with its sensors. Additionally, if the TCM has experienced significant exposure to moisture or debris, internal failure may occur, leading to this DTC being triggered. If necessary, consult with the manufacturer's guidelines on how to perform a functional test of the TCM before concluding that it must be replaced. Final repair verification is crucial in confirming that the DTC P0641 has been resolved effectively. After completing any necessary repairs or replacements, employ the diagnostic scan tool to clear all stored diagnostic trouble codes from the TCM's memory. Following this, conduct a test drive, ensuring the vehicle is operated under various conditions that would normally trigger the transmission system. Monitor the vehicle's performance and confirm that the previously illuminated malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, remains off and that the shift position indicator no longer blinks. A successful test drive without any reactivation of DTC P0641 indicates that the issue has been rectified, allowing for proper function of the TCM and sensors. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid the recurrence of DTC P0641 and ensure optimal vehicle performance. A proactive approach includes routinely inspecting the TCM connectors for any signs of corrosion or looseness, which could lead to intermittent or complete electrical failures. Additionally, maintaining the wiring harness integrity is crucial. Check for any signs of wear or environmental damage that may compromise electrical connections. Periodically cleaning the connectors and ensuring that they are secure contributes to maintaining a stable electrical environment for the TCM and sensors. If any repairs or replacements are made, documenting and keeping track of these maintenance actions will help in future diagnostics. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0641, which signals a circuit malfunction regarding the sensor reference voltage in the Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021, is crucial for ensuring a well-functioning vehicle. The TCM plays a key role in interpreting signals from various sensors, and a malfunction can significantly affect performance. A systematic troubleshooting approach, beginning with inspecting connections and followed by checking sensor outputs, resistance, and TCM functionality, is essential for proper diagnosis and resolution. Finally, implementing consistent preventive maintenance checks can help mitigate future issues, ensuring long-term reliability and performance of the transmission system. By following these guidelines, owners and technicians can address the complications associated with this DTC effectively, leading to a safer and more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.